Hey YouTube, today I'll be doing Geek Update 1.5. I haven't done a Geek Update in a while, so I decided to do another one since I don't have a whole lot of video ideas right now. So let's get into it. First, I want to thank you guys for helping me get over 3,000 subscribers. That's a lot. So I'll be holding a giveaway eventually, hopefully soon. Maybe an iTunes gift card or two, I'm not quite sure yet. So we'll see about that later. Next news. I just today got GTA 4 episodes from Liberty City. Not too exciting, but I haven't tried these yet and I've really wanted them. They're both coming out on PSN March 30th, but I can't wait that long. I just wanted it. I saw it in the store and I was like, hey, why not? And yeah. So, can't wait to play this. I don't want to play Lost and Damned as much as Ballad of Gay Tony. Gay Tony looks a lot better than the other one, because Lost and Damned, in my opinion. But I don't know. I haven't really watched reviews about them. I just want to get them. On the back it says online multiplayer 2 to 16. I don't know if that's the same multiplayer as in GTA 4, because there's some people I know who have GTA 4, and I'm wondering if I can play with them on this. If I can't, that's fine, but yeah, so I can't wait to play this. I haven't played it yet. I just got back like an hour ago or something. So next I want to talk my iPad thoughts, just because I didn't really talk about it in my other video. I just talked about the day it came out. I just talked about the specs. And so a lot of people are hating on it and saying that it's just a huge iPod Touch, which in a way is true. I mean, I can't really deny that. But why wouldn't you want a huge iPod Touch? It has ebook app, but I won't be reading books on this iPad. I don't plan to buy books, so. And it's also we'll have some other like word processing and stuff, but I don't need that. So to me, it's just like a big iPod Touch, which is always cool. Just because if you watch the conference, they showed games they made a demonstration game on the iPad that like fit the whole screen. It's like a racing game, and it looks really good. So I could see the potential of lots of games coming out for the iPad. That would be pretty cool. I can see good potential for the iPad, so don't hate on it. And that brings up another thing. I was in a live stream of the creativeone.tv on his live stream, and he was talking about on MacRumors.com in 2001, people were posting about how, oh, the iPod is going to be so stupid. Oh, we don't need another MP3 player. Great job, Steve. People were saying all kinds of hate about the iPod. Now it's the biggest MP3 player it's on the market. It's the most popular MP3 player. Everyone knows what it is. So don't hate on the iPad. It could become huge. But it could also be a flop. Apple's had some major mess-ups like the Newton, the in-ear headphones, which they're not a huge flop, but not many people bought them, and it wasn't really a good idea in my opinion. And the Apple TV wasn't that great. It wasn't that popular, so. But they'll probably stop making it soon. So that could be a flop, whatever you want to consider it. Will I be buying it myself? No. Just because, let me explain to you why. Well, I mean, I could be buying it, but it's not going to be anytime soon. Because for her birthday in August, which is a while from now, but still, I'm planning on getting a 21.5-inch iMac. Because I do photo editing and video, and I use iMovie. I kind of spit that out. I use iMovie and to do Photoshop editing and stuff. And I have no reason to have an iPad. I also have a laptop, and an iPhone. So I have no reason to get one. That's the only thing. And for the price, there's no reason for me to buy one. And it's basically just a bigger one of these. So I don't need it. So those are just my opinions on that. I could see this being for a lot of people, and if games do become a big thing on here and apps, then I may buy it, depending. I may. Battlefield Bad Company 2 demo. I just downloaded this today, and it's pretty fun. It's multiplayer, which is really cool. The only thing is the graphics are kind of weird. I don't know if it's just my TV, but I'm not used to the graphics. They're like kind of pixely. I don't know if it's just the demo or what, but they seem kind of pixely. A lot of like plant stuff look really fake if you go up too close to them. They're just old pixels. So I didn't like that. But overall, it's kind of fun. It's a lot different than Modern Warfare 2. So I'm really bad at the game so far. Battlefield It's really hard because it's a lot different. And you can fly helicopters, but it was such a bad way to fly it. I don't get how to control it. It's kind of hard. But yeah. And the last thing I want to cover is my upcoming videos, which I may have another video up tonight, actually. I'm not sure. Maybe do a how to become successful on YouTube video, and maybe an Apple TV video review. If you want to see the review of the Apple TV, leave a comment in the below comment section. And yeah, so that's about it for Geek Update 1.5. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and yeah, peace.